In this video, we will see how to place any shape in the center position of the artboard. So, you can see that I have already taken some shape. First, click on Window from the menu bar. Go to the Workspace. Click on Essential Classic. You can see that a toolbar is showing above. Now, click on any shape. Click on Horizontal Align Center from the top toolbar. Then, click on Vertical Align Center. Now see that the shape has been moved to the middle of the artboard. In this way, you can bring any photo and shape to the middle of the artboard. Thank you for watching the video.